Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Master English Smartly. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, talking about the weather. Whether it's sunny, rainy, or snowy, you'll learn how to describe it in English with confidence. We use weather phrases in daily conversations, travel, and even in small talk. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Let's start with a question. Look outside your window right now. How's the weather? Is it hot or cold? Is it raining or sunny? Type your answer in the comments below. Great. Now, let's look at some key vocabulary words you can use to describe the weather. But first, tell me, what is your favorite type of weather? Do you love sunny days at the beach, or do you prefer cozy, rainy afternoons? Share in the comments. Vocabulary building. Here are some useful words and phrases to describe different types of weather. Sunny, bright with a lot of sunlight. Cloudy, covered with clouds. Overcast, when the entire sky is covered in gray clouds. Rainy, wet with falling rain. Drizzling, light rain. Stormy, with thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Windy, with strong winds. Breezy, a light, pleasant wind. Humid, hot and damp, with a lot of moisture in the air. Foggy, when there is thick mist in the air and you cannot see well. Snowy, covered in snow. Frosty, very cold with frost covering the ground. Try using these words in a sentence. For example, today is very sunny and I love it. Or it's quite foggy outside, so be careful while driving. Share your sentence in the comments. Now, let's put these words into practice. Repeat after me. It is very sunny today. I need my sunglasses. The weather is rainy, so I brought my umbrella. I love snowy days because I can build a snowman. It's so humid today. I feel sweaty even in the shade. It's overcast right now, and I think it might rain soon. Great job! Now, try making your own sentence using one of these words and share it in the comments. Let's do a quick listening exercise. I will describe the weather, and you guess what it is. Listen carefully. Example description. The sky is dark, and I can hear thunder. Water is falling from the sky, and the wind is very strong. What do you think? Is it sunny, windy, or stormy? Type your answer below. Example description. There is thick mist everywhere, and I can barely see ahead of me. Everything looks blurry. What type of weather am I describing? Write your guess in the comments. Grammar focus. When talking about the weather, we often use adjectives and verb phrases. For example, it is sunny today. It will be rainy tomorrow. It was very windy last night. It feels chilly today. Let's practice. Complete this sentence. The weather today is dash. Write your answer in the comments. We also use comparisons when talking about the weather. Here are some examples. Today is warmer than yesterday. This winter is colder than last year. The weather in my city is more humid than in the mountains. Now, try making your own comparative sentence about the weather in your area and drop it in the comments. Real-life speaking activity. Now, imagine you are talking to a friend about the weather. Try saying, today, the weather is dash. It feels dash. I like / don't like this weather because dash. Pause the video and practice speaking out loud. Here's another fun activity. Imagine you are a weather reporter on TV. Try making a weather report for your city. For example, good morning, everyone. Today's weather in your city is dash. Right now, the temperature is dash degrees, and it feels dash. There is a chance of dash. Write your weather report in the comments, and I will read some of them in the next video. Fantastic work today. You have learned new words, practiced speaking, and improved your grammar. Now, here's a challenge. Write a short paragraph about today's weather in the comments, and I will read some of them in the next video. Also, tell me, what kind of weather do you enjoy the most and why? I'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye for now.